Today, Peppa and her family have come to the opticians.
Whoa!
You're fired! Get out of here!
Daddy Pig?
Coming! Oops.
This way, Daddy.
Dr. Pony is an optician, which means he looks after people's eyes. So, Daddy Pig, what happened to your old glasses?
How about to clean yourself, because I can smell your awful stink even from here.
With the soap. Oh, and a ball. And blender.
Cinders and ashes.
Yep, that'll do it. We'll just do a few tests to check your eyes are healthy, and then we can see about getting you some new glasses.
Thank you. Like this.
Like you.
Oh.
Okay now, focus on this picture of a hot air balloon and tell me if it's better or worse. Dr.
No, worse.
Now, better or worse?
Better?
And now...